India's dominance on the world cricket stage continues as the Indian cricket team clinched their third ICC Champions Trophy title in 2025, defeating New Zealand in a thrilling final. The men in blue, led by Rohit Sharma, remained unbeaten throughout the tournament. Their remarkable journey began with a dominant victory over Bangladesh, followed by a 6-wicket win over Pakistan. India topped their group by defeating New Zealand and secured their spot in the semi-final. In the semi-final, India overcame a determined Australia, securing the place in the final to face New Zealand. And then in the final, India sealed a stunning 4-wicket win over New Zealand to capture their third ever Champions Trophy title. It was the Men in Blue's third title in the competition, a new record, and the second ICC trophy in 2 years after the T20 World Cup win in 2024. The Indian team will be rewarded with a cash prize of Rs 58 crore for winning the Champions Trophy 2025, BCCI announced on Thursday. BCCI President Roger Binny said in a statement, "Winning back-to-back ICC titles is special, and this reward recognizes Team India's dedication and excellence on the global stage. The cash reward is a recognition of the hard work that everyone puts in behind the scenes. This was also our second ICC trophy in 2025, following the ICC Under-19 Women's World Cup victory, and it highlights the strong cricketing ecosystem in place in our country." BCCI Secretary Devajit Saikia praised the performances of both the cricketers and the support staff. The BCCI is proud to honour the players and support staff with this well-deserved reward. Their dominance in world cricket is a result of years of hard work and strategic execution. This victory has justified India's top ranking in white ball cricket, and we are sure the A team will continue to excel in the years to come. The dedication and commitment shown by the players have set a new benchmark, and we are confident that Indian cricket will keep raising the bar on the global stage. So, how will Rs 58 crore of Champions Trophy 2025 prize be divided among the Indian players? BCCI Secretary breaks it down. Devajit Saikia said the 15-member India squad who won the 2025 Champions Trophy will get Rs 3 crore each, and head coach Gautam Gambhir will get Rs 3 crore. Even players who didn't feature in a single match during the tournament, like Arshdeep Singh, Rishabh Pant, and Washington Sundar, will receive their share of the prize, ensuring that every member of the team is recognized for their contribution. The rest of the coaching group will also be rewarded. Batting coach Sitanshu Kota, assistant coaches Abhishek Nair, Ryan Ten Descarte, fielding coach T. Dilip, and the rest of the support staff will receive 50 lakh each. Saikia also confirmed rewards for the rest of the BCCI officials with the team. The rest of the BCCI officials, like the media manager, will get Rs 25 lakhs each. Meanwhile, Chief Selector Ajit Agarkar will get Rs 30 lakhs, while the rest of the committee members, Subroto Banerjee, Ajay Ratra, Yash Sarartha, and Shiv Sundar Das, will receive Rs 25 lakhs each. Saikia further revealed the prize money given by the International Cricket Council (ICC) to be around Rs 19.45 crore. He said that has only been divided among the 15 players, where each will get Rs 1 crore 43 lakh 58,000 from it. With such a comprehensive victory, the BCCI is not only rewarding the players, but also the entire team and support staff, recognizing their collective effort in making Indian cricket a dominant force on the global stage. BCCI Vice President Rajiv Shukla said the victorious campaign will inspire the budding cricketers across India. This cash reward is a tribute to the outstanding performances delivered by the team throughout the tournament. The players exhibited remarkable composure under pressure, and their success is an inspiration to aspiring cricketers across the country. The team has once again proved that Indian cricket is built on a strong foundation of skill, mental toughness, and a winning mentality. With this historic victory and the massive rewards, Team India continues to inspire millions across the world, setting the bar high for the future of Indian cricket.